Moving on from color, now we will be discussing about body type and shape. Have you ever been looking through online clothing and finding something you really love? So you buy them and end up being disappointed? It just doesn't go well with your body shape. This is sad, but I can give you tips on how to be able to dress up according to your body shape, as we want every woman to be able to wear a dress that fits them fantastic. Your body shape basically refers to your curves and measurement, which will be determined by your bust, weight and hip measurements. You can figure out your shape based on areas where your body holds the most weight. We'll be covering the basic 4 female body types in this episode. Number 1 is the pear shape. This is one of the most common shapes around. It basically means that your hip measurements are a lot wider than your bust and your waist. You might have thicker thighs and wider hips. Wear clothing that makes your shoulder look wider so that it remains in proportion with your hips. Also, go for dresses that give the lower portion of your body a slimmer look. To get your upper portion of your body talking, you can wear colors like light orange, white and yellow. I would suggest you to go for off-shoulder dresses, one-shoulder blouses and tank tops. For this, you can use scarves and colorful necklaces, which can give you more volume to the upper body. So all you got to do is highlight your upper body. The second shape that we will be discussing about is the apple body type. To determine if you're an apple body shape, see if you have a broader shoulder than your hips, you are not as curvy as such, and you don't have a well-defined waistline. What to wear for this kind of a body shape? You shouldn't wear anything that draws attention to your belly area. Avoid wearing low hip shorts or pants, thick belts, clingy shirts and full-length dresses. If you're an apple body shape, you must have a great bust, emphasizing it by wearing V-necks, A-line dresses and plunging necklines will definitely draw attention to your bust and not to your belly area. Choose t-shirts that are ruched in the middle. The third type that we're going to be discussing here is the rectangle body shape. It is more commonly seen as an athletic shaped body where you are not too curvy and your height is evenly distributed from top to bottom with equal shoulder and hip measurement. If you want to look curvy here, what you can do is grab a belt to define your waist. You could wear necklines with a U-cut or a heart-shaped neckline. The best part of being a rectangle shape is that you can wear colorful bottoms, any pattern, in any color, and you will look amazing. The last one, and maybe the best one, the hourglass body shape. Many women feel that the ideal body shape to have is the hourglass. The hourglass shape people are curvy with large hips, large chest and a tiny waist. Well, if you're one among them, congratulations, because your curves are your advantage. Here's not much of a disadvantage, although you can learn how to style it well. Firstly, accentuate your waistline and balance your torso and hips. For tops, you could choose a close-fitting, straight cut and wrap-up types. The best types for your skirts would be a close-fitting pencil skirt, flared and an A-line skirt. For pants, the best cuts would be slim-fitting, straight cut and wide-leg palazzos. Preferably, a high waist or a medium waistline for your pants will really work.